Tukimenyo na ni ati athaki ana ni matugitwo na ngoga ya muthaki mwega wa mweri kana wa mweri ni kiama kiandikia mohoro wa mathako SJack unyitaniri-ini na kambuni ya LG. Ici nicio ciuma ngoga cia mbere cia gutuganwo mwaka uyu, na Pamela Adhiambo wa kirafu gia Kenya Pipeline niwe utugirwo ta muthaki mwega wa Januari thutha wa guteithia kirafu giake kumatha ngoga ya gibururi mweri-ini ucio. Jorua ya thia ihenya ria mita 10,000 ria gutua ngongo Beatrice Chebet ahiukia ngoga ya mweri wa keri thutha wa kuhota ngoga ya thi mweri ucio. Guku nake muhotani wa Tokyo Marathon Rosemary Wanjiru akihiukia ngoga ya mweri wa gatatu. Ngoga ya muthia etugirwo muhotani wa London Marathon mwaka uyu Kelvin Kiptum uria wandikithirio hotani wa ihenya riri na oho kwendekithia ihinda ria keri riega makiria ihenya ni ria kilomita 40
the country once more in the championship and to conquer Africa, and I think that's when my luck was seen, and I managed to carry my team.
February cross country in Australia ilikuwa challenging, but I didn't expect to win, but ilikuwa Mungu tu, so nashukuru kila mtu kwa support.
Nilingangana, nilianguka nikaamka na nikangangana hadi nikaweza kuwa mshindi, so nafurahi sana. Nitajikakamua tena niwe tena kupata zawadi.
Shukuru SJack LG kwa kutupea zawadi, angalau tupe motisha next time tujitahidi. Doni mara yangu leo kukuja hapa Riadha House kuona Mr. President, ni kwa pleasure.
LG is committed to providing and also supporting the sportsmen and sportswomen of this country, and that is why as of last week the agreement was signed, and we head to now kick off this year's awards, and that is why here today
wa gutungata mashindano-ini ma irabu cia gitaro kia Afrika ma volleyball ya airetu bururi-ini wa Tunisia, irabu cia Kenya Pipeline na KCB ni icokire guku bururi-ini rucini rwa umuthi. Irabu ici irandikithirie moimirira matiganite riu ikimurika mbite kaingi na kwinora makiria.
Makiamukirwo na ndohio na gikeno kiharo-ini kia ndege kia JKIA, ahotani a rigi nene ya bururi Kenya Pipeline na aria mararikirie mari namba 2 mbitikaini ici mari na mwihoko ati nimegukorwo makihiukia ngoga ino mwaka ukite, kuona ikerekaine ria mwaka muhituku marikitie mari namba 3.
This year I had a covenant with my players that we will work very hard to make sure we play finals of this edition. God is great, we have done it. We did not lift the cup, but we have accomplished our mission. Next year, we will enter this competition and lift the cup. Everything has a process.
Pipeline makunikirwo ngucanio-ini ya final ni kirabu gia Zamalek Sporting Club kuma bururi wa Egypt na seti 3-1 no kurigana na captain wa Nyararishi mai na mwihoko wa gwika wega ngucanio-ini ciokite. Rita rĩa muthia Kenya Pipeline mahiukirie ngoga ino mwaka-ini wa 2005.
We have been number 5 2021, number 3 2022, 2023 number 2. That means we are improving in each and every game or each and every year, and we are fine and we thank God.
Mwena-ini wao ateteri ikereka ria mwaka uyu kirabu gia KCB mararikirie mari namba 5 na kuria kuringana na coach wa kirabu giki ari na matanya ma gwika wega ngucanio-ini ciokite, kuona athaki aria arakuruhanitie athaki aingi ethi.
The team is still young and we are still energetic. It's only very minor mistake that we made that we could not proceed to the semi-finals. But I'm hopeful that we are going to rectify and be a force to reckon with in the next coming championship, in the next year's championship.
Irabu ici igukorwo ikiambika mehariria ma ngucanio cia rigi ya bururi ya KVF na iritanyitwo kwambia mweri-ini wa kanana. Handu-ini ha metha ya mathako ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Ng'ang'a wa Nyokabi.
Uria wale muthaki wa timu ya bururi ya mubira wa Gonya Shujaa Alex Olaba ni akundikitwo kioho